Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the navigation app in the 24Me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then just scroll down and click on the settings button. And at the very end of the page there is the location services section, and under that click on the navigation app button. And as you can see, there are three applications you can choose from. So there's Apple Maps, Google Maps, and Waze. So just click on the one that you have on your phone, and it is now set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.